In fish and seafood factories, cleaning traditional conveyor belts consumes excessive hours, drives up water and detergent costs, and creates stress before every hygiene audit. Modular and fabric-reinforced belts have cracks, hinges, and pores that become harborage points for microbes, leading to unpleasant odors and posing a risk to hygiene compliance. For fish and seafood processors, Volta belting provides an advanced solution, purpose-built for hygiene, reliability, and compliance. Volta belts deliver seamless hygiene, no absorption, no residue, and nowhere for microbes to hide. Fully compliant with global food safety standards and trusted worldwide. Factories that switch to Volta see immediate impact, smoother production, fewer failures, and a dramatic drop in yearly operating costs.
Operators working with Volta report a cleaner, quieter workspace with no hidden gaps and no hygiene issues over time.
Take your hygiene standards to the next level, reduce your operational costs, and build total confidence in your production line. Choose cleaner, choose safer, choose Volta. Download the Volta guide and start your switch today.